What's going on, true believers? It's your man Keanu Believes. Guys, if you like crypto and you like money, I'm the guy to see. Today, we're going to talk about where the market cap is. We're going to look at CoinGecko for just a second, look at some altcoins. Then we're going to move on, look at the market sentiment. We have topped out at over 2 trillion. Spoiler alert. And then we're going to look at Bitcoin for just a little while and talk about why 47 is probably going to lead to a blow-off top. And guess what? Everybody's telling you should sell your XRP all of a sudden. Do you know why? Because it's up 54%. So, let's get after it. It's not financial advice, but I am always right. All right, guys, we're up 2.75% at 13.13 for Keanu. That's a pretty good sign. Hundo Hendrix, you are the man right now. And you got great taste in music, and you can't beat that. Guys, everybody, if you're in the market and you understand what's going on, Hundo Hendrix has put in quite a bit, drove the price up this weekend. We all owe him a debt of gratitude, but we're just getting started. So let's see where this takes us. Moving on. So guys, the market cap looks like it's at $2.102 trillion right now, which is a very good sign. That's what you want to see. I said that we would start to see a leg up when we got to 1.8, so maybe I meant yen or something, because that would make me the word that's not right. So Cardano is up 51% over the 7-day average. Binance is up 25.5%. Tether, you're not moving. What's going on? XRP is up 63%. And people are telling you to sell off on XRP right now. Dogecoin is up 44.3%. And I saw some big moves out of Shiba. Shiba's up 24.5% in the last 7 days. But if you go up and down this list, Axie Infinity at 61%, Avalanche at 35%, Graph at 37%. Everybody's starting to make a move in the altcoin market. You know what that means? That's phase 3. Now, if you're looking at the market, then you probably, like me, feel like maybe we're still kind of in phase 1, because the phase 1 is where Bitcoin has its big rally. And Bitcoin's been good, but it doesn't feel like the top's being blown off anywhere. So, maybe it's about to get crazy. Maybe it's about to get real crazy in all markets pretty soon. Bitcoin is now hovering over 47, which means that 50,000 is not far away. And once it hits that, most people and most analysts expect it to just kind of blow the top off of it. So let's move on. All right, guys, if you're looking for data points, the crypto market sentiment is within reach of the positive zone. Crypto market sentiment has increased for the 4th week in a row, arriving at a point just below the positive zone. The average 7-day moving crypto market sentiment score, set score, of 10 major coins is 5.94 today, while last week it stood at 5.95, according to the market sentiment analysis service Omenix. Over half of this list, 6 coins to be precise, are in the positive zone, but the overall score seems to be dragged down by 1 coin with a massive drop. 7 out of the 10 coins have gone up over the past week. XRP saw the biggest increase in its cent score with a 10.9. Tether is next in line with 7.6, while Bitcoin follows with a nearly 6. The other green coins are Chainlink, Cardano, Polkadot, and Ethereum, respectively. Among the 3 that have dropped over the past week, USDC, Binance, and Uniswap. The massive drop in USDC cent score sent it back from the neutral threshold of 5 to the score of 4.2, hence affecting the overall cent score of the top 10 coins. You can see here the score. We're at 4 to 5.9, which is the neutral zone. What we want is a 7.5 to 10, which is a very positive zone. So, because again, going back, I think we're still in phase 1, maybe leaking into phase 2, that these rises in the altcoins right now are probably just the start. Then that probably means when this starts to get to 7.5 to 10, then the top's going to blow off and things are about to get crazy. So, it's a very good thing. Moving on. Guys, for the first time in a long time, cryptocurrency market tops 2 trillion. That's since May. Bitcoin climbed to its highest level since May 17, taking the total crypto market above 2 trillion. The crypto market cap surpassed 2 trillion for the first time since mid-May as Bitcoin led the rally. Bitcoin climbed to 48,048 early Monday, the highest level since May 17. Everybody knows what happened 2 days later. The world's largest cryptocurrency is joined by Ether and Cardano, which have surged 11 and 53% in the last 7 days, respectively. The crypto market cap sank as low as 1.19 trillion on July 20th, which was my birthday, by the way. How do you do that shit? Ugh. After touching a peak of more than 2.5 trillion in May 12th, crypto pulled back and saw a couple of months of downward pressure as the mining crackdown in China took hold. That's not what happened. I absolutely resent most of these articles when I catch them, that they lie, manipulate, and mislead you in so many different ways that it is just sometimes disheartening. I can't believe that this is what people try to reduce everything down to. Downward pressure as the mining crackdown in China took hold. This is why we can't have nice things, people. Let's move on. All right, guys, for anybody who keeps track of the news, you will know the story with XRP and the SEC saying that it is a security. And while the case is not closed yet, it is becoming very obvious that the SEC is going to take the L on this one because XRP was not and has proven that they are not a security. So what's left? Well, what's left is to try to suppress the price and keep it down. So XRP chart triggers a sell-off warning after price explodes by 54% in 1 week. So guys, if you're in the XRP, then it would behoove you to at least pay attention and be ready to sell and play that dip if the situation comes up. A lot of people are telling you that XRP is overbought, but this is one of those tokens that everybody is in love with. So let's see how this actually and really plays out. I'm absolutely interested. The other thing is, Microsoft wants to use the Ethereum blockchain to fight piracy. So you have seen so many different anti-piracy measures by the music industry through DRM, through some Microsoft with DRM. There's been so many digital rights management softwares that have come out over the years, and they have been cracked in a heartbeat. So now, what do you resort to? Microsoft wants to use Ethereum blockchain to fight piracy. The major software developer's new plan to combat piracy relies on the transparency of blockchain technology. Pirates, they got us. The Windows operating system and Office productivity suite have always been top performers on any software piracy platform, so it's no wonder that Microsoft, the developer of both products, works hard to establish anti-piracy measures. What is about to happen is your Microsoft is now going to be part of the Ethereum blockchain, and there will be no hacking that unless you can somehow hack Ethereum. So, adios, piratos. I don't even know. What's the I don't know what the word for pirate is in any other language. Let's move on. Guys, I don't want to get off on a rant here, but I want to say this. Wealth is not for everyone. Success is not for everyone. And success can be defined in a bunch of different ways. There can be that small one where you make a small gain, or there can be that big one where you make a large gain. So when you're seeing sell-offs and people who are dipping out of Keanu, remember one thing. Not everybody is dipping out permanently. A lot of people are just putting their money into Ethereum to let it go right now because we are in the market that's stagnant, and that's going to take a little while before it starts to move along. Other people are just bad investors. And the reason that you can talk to somebody in this market that has been in it for any period of time who is not rich is because they're just not good at it. If you have 6 figures in your wallet, if you have 7 figures in your wallet, you're probably pretty good at it. If you've been in this market for more than a year and you don't have 6 figures in your wallet, you are not good at investing. You are one of those people who is an addict probably, that just needs the constant nervousness and sentiment, but you can look at any percentage in the market, and if you just put your money into a bunch of different things and let it sit, then you would be rich. So, guys, at some point, we hope that you guys are going to be part of Keanu. We hope that you are going to be there at the end when we do get the moon. We hope that you made that great decision at the end and you are part of it. But if you're not, thank you for being part of it at the beginning. We appreciate everything that you did, and we'll see you at the finish line. Guys, that's my time. Let's all have a good day, and let's prosper.
Been around since the 80s and wasn't always cool, especially with the ladies. I was a damn fool. Dad was an alcoholic. Mama, she had to leave him. Grew up around the fighting, the fussing, cussing, and cheating. That's when I started breaking all of the rules, selling drugs and robbing people. I was kicked out of school. I was a bad kid, mad kid, tearing shit up, sleeping on couches with 40 bottles.